Students, welcome to EduSeek AI. To get started, create your account by clicking the Sign Up for Free button in the top right corner of the homepage. You can sign up using your Google or Microsoft account, or create an account with your email. If you are 13 or older, you can create your own account. If you are under 13, a parent or guardian will need to create and manage your account and monitor your learning activity. Once you're logged into your dashboard, the first step is to choose your first AI course. To do that, navigate the course marketplace by clicking the corresponding button. There, you can browse all available courses created by real educators. Each course page includes a description, the tutor's hourly rate for live sessions, their availability, and other details to help you decide if the course is the right fit. When you find a course you like, click Start Learning Now to enroll. Each course includes a 7-day free trial and no credit card is required to begin. Every course gives you access to its AI tutors. Some courses include one AI tutor, while others may include multiple. Your subscription gives you unlimited access to one AI course at a time. If you'd like to enroll in an additional course, you can either pay $25 per extra course or unenroll from your current course and switch to another one. Some courses also offer a free 15-minute onboarding call with a real tutor. We recommend taking advantage of this to connect with an educator, discuss your goals, and get started the right way. Once you've enrolled, click Start AI Tutoring to begin. AI tutors are available 24/7. They can answer your questions, explain concepts, and guide you step by step. They also remember context from previous conversations, helping support your progress over time. You can even upload homework questions or problems directly from your phone to get help. If you're not sure how to start, try prompts like, "Hi, I'm working on this topic and need help with this problem," or "Can you explain this concept to me step by step?" You can interact with AI tutors through chat or voice, depending on what works best for you. If you ever get stuck and need human help, press the SOS button, describe your issue, and you'll be connected with a live tutor in under 15 minutes. You can also choose a tutor from different pricing tiers based on your needs. When you're ready to upgrade, you can choose from several monthly plans that include live tutoring credits. The $49 plan includes $25 in live support, the $99 plan includes $50 in live support, and the $199 plan includes $100 in live support. This ensures that you always have access to human tutors when you need additional help. That's it. You're ready to start learning with EduSeek AI. Happy learning!